Hey there! Welcome to our step-by-step guide on transferring XRP to Trust Wallet. Want to transfer your XRP to Trust Wallet in just a few minutes? It's easier than you might think. Let me show you how simple it is. Follow along, and you'll have your XRP transferred in no time. First, open your Trust Wallet app and make sure XRP is enabled. This is crucial because if XRP isn't enabled, you won't be able to receive it. If it isn't, just tap on Add Coins and add XRP to your wallet. Easy, right? This step ensures that your wallet is ready to receive XRP. Next, you'll need your XRP wallet address. This is like your bank account number for receiving funds. Tap on XRP, then hit that Receive button to reveal your address. Copy it down. This address is unique to your wallet. Now head over to the platform where your XRP is currently held. This could be an exchange like Binance, Coinbase, or another wallet. This could be an exchange or another wallet. Make sure you have access to the platform where your XRP is stored. Start a withdrawal process there. Look for the option to withdraw or send XRP. When prompted, paste the XRP address you copied from Trust Wallet into the recipient field. Double-check the address to avoid any mistakes. Don't forget to input the required destination tag if applicable. Some exchanges require this tag to process the transaction correctly. This step is crucial to ensure your XRP gets to the right place. Double-check all the details before proceeding. Confirm the transaction and hit send. Once you do this, the transfer process will begin. Within moments, your XRP will be on its way to your Trust Wallet. The transfer time can vary, so be patient. You can track the transfer status right in the app. Trust Wallet provides real-time updates on your transaction. You've successfully transferred your XRP to Trust Wallet. Congratulations! Your funds are now safely stored in your wallet. If this was helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more quick tutorials. Your support helps us create more content. Thanks for watching and happy trading!